Mutton Keema Samosa, a masterpiece you'll treasure. Observe these delectable creations, impeccably crispy and generously filled. Additionally, we have something special in store, samosa pockets, reserved for those noteworthy occasions. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. Commence by introducing a quarter cup of oil and a tablespoon of ghee into a pan set over medium heat, releasing an enticing aroma. Employ 1 kilogram of premium mutton, ideally ground fresh by your butcher, meticulously ground twice for optimal texture. Time for the spices. 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 4 tablespoons of dhania jeera, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons each of garlic and ginger paste, 5 finely chopped green chilies, a tablespoon of crushed coriander seeds, and lastly, a tablespoon of garam masala. Immerse yourself in thorough mixing, ensuring the mince is delicately separated. Initiate cooking on low heat, while continuously agitating the mince. Once thoroughly mixed, increase the heat to seal in moisture and expedite the cooking process. A span of approximately 15 minutes. Exercise vigilance to prevent any undesirable burning at the bottom of the pan. As the mince achieves an ideal loose consistency, allow it to cool. Proceed by dicing 5 large onions, totaling approximately 500 grams. Employ a cheesecloth to extract excess moisture. Further, utilize a whole bunch of coriander, including the stalks, finely processed with a food processor. Employ similar measures to eliminate any superfluous liquid. Once the meat has entirely cooled, introduce the coriander, ensuring a thorough amalgamation. Subsequently, incorporate the squeezed onions, diligently stirring the concoction. The filling is now impeccably prepared. Embark on the creation of the samosa glue, which involves a composition of 5 tablespoons of plain flour and half a cup of water, culminating in a cohesive paste. Transition to crafting the samosas, utilizing readily available pastry from your local Asian grocery. Observe closely as the filling is meticulously placed and folded. The edges seamlessly sealed with the samosa glue. Don't worry, I'll show it once more. Though mastering the rhythm may necessitate a few attempts, proficiency will allow you to craft a samosa every 30 seconds, a testament to culinary finesse. For an added touch of sophistication, explore the realm of samosa pockets. Employing 2 sheets of samosa pastry, while seemingly straightforward, a degree of nimbleness is requisite. This recipe yields an impressive 60 impeccably filled samosas. When the time for frying arrives, exercise prudence with medium heat to avoid overcooking the exterior while leaving the interior inadequately heated, particularly crucial when frying from a frozen state. Multiple flips are recommended to achieve an even color. Allow for a moment of rest post-frying, recognizing that the samosas will continue to cook beyond the oil, alleviating any concerns pertaining to initial paleness. Behold, a collection of uniformly frilled samosas, boasting a delightful exterior crispness and an explosion of flavors within. I express my gratitude for your presence today and sincerely hope that this recipe finds a place in your culinary repertoire and becomes your go-to samosa recipe. Kindly share your location as you partake in this experience. Last week we had viewer from the London borough of Hackney. I extend an invitation to subscribe, like, and share. Happy cooking!